You're on. What's up? Good morning, everybody. Oh, I gotta join the space. Yeah, let me retweet.
Yeah, testing 1 2, testing 1 2. Nice, we're live. Okay, cool. We're good to go. All right, thanks for joining us. Thanks for joining us. Big fucking day here today. We're joined here by Rob, Pocky, John, and myself. And today's a big one.
What's going on? What's going on? How's everybody feeling to start the week off?
Feeling mighty fine. Rob, I know you're happy about that Doge play.
Oh man, we timed that out beautifully, planned it out, and just got a beautiful entry. Honestly, the only coin that was looking great to bid yesterday was Doge, and then everything started looking good after BTC made its low. So, if you capitalized on some alts yesterday, I think it was definitely a good opportunity to secure some profits on the spot. But it's a big day ahead, so we could definitely get some sick movements here.
Oh yeah, for sure, for sure. The volume kicked off pretty much from the start. New York Open, pretty much getting like FOMC style whipsaws, you know. Been very nice. We have dominance positive on the day already. Wow. Okie doke. So what do
What's
we got?
dominant setup?
So what do we have our eyes on, guys? Like aside from BTC, ETH, Solana, Doge, which by the way, if I'm not mistaken, surpassed Solana's volume today on futures, so that's pretty damn interesting.
Yeah, it is.
What we got going on here?
Yeah, I got my eyes on APT. I got my eyes on Doge, Popcat, the usual suspects, man.
Yeah, Sui's really good on volume right now.
Yeah, I was gonna say I'm looking at Sui as well. That was a really big pop there. That's right. Yeah.
Yeah,
We,
let's take a
we
look
haven't
at
heard
the...
a lot of like chatter from Pepe either. I think that's due
No,
for
but it's
another.
doing good volume. I think it's
Yeah,
sixth on the list, right after Sui. So Sui, Pepe, Sol, Doge, ETH, BTC are the highest movers today in terms of volume. So
and then we can
Sui
also
on the
start
hourly
seeing
actually,
like
it's really good too.
Sui on the
you
hourly.
can see
Let me
Pop.
take a look.
Yeah, you can see Popcat actually it's increasing volume. You can see Popcat maybe flip Pepe today. That would be pretty epic.
Where is Popcat on the? It's not too far behind.
Yeah, see, it's creeping.
It's not far. That's not far at all. Yeah, Sui, process of a trend reversal here. That's nice. You sit on the 1 hour, right, Rob?
Yeah, hourly looks really good.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Just flipped up a big level there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, we were looking at that on stream this morning.
Yeah, I got my eyes. I don't want to pull the trigger too hard now on new longs right now. I think the time to do that was yesterday, so I'm just being patient here. What are your guys' opinions on the possibility of a 62K flash retest? What are your guys' opinions on that?
62K?
Yeah, what are you guys' opinion on a crazy flush?
Oof, man. I think we need to see something pretty like damning and determining from our election results today. Like that's the only thing I would expect. If not, like I just assume 67.7 should hold out for us, maybe even down to 66. But like realistically, the lowest I have for like a bull trend like this, or at least like a break to the upside, probably like 64K. Why, you got 62 on your radar?
No. I just think like before this run up, 62.5-ish level, that was a really contested level. So I would think maybe because we front ran yesterday, if we do get a cascade event, that would be a level where you just leave stink bids, and if they fill, they'll automatically pop back up. That's just a extra stinky level I'm looking at.
Yeah, I'm good with that. Even 64, 67.7.
I have my bids at 66.2 to 65.7, just in case we do get a sweep. But like I said, that would be like absolute stink bets.
Yeah, it looks like we're just gonna continue to show here, huh? A lot of volume coming in. Yeah.
He is a little
I mean,
bit
I
different
don't.
on my end.
I mean, I think it really depends on who wins the election. What's gonna happen, in my opinion.
Yeah, and like in the short
I
term.
think if Trump wins, we could get honestly a candle to 80K.
Oh,
If
man.
Kamala wins, you get a flush like 62, maybe 59,
Yeah, I think that makes
and I think it'll revert back up in a few days.
Yeah, I think it'd be more like November 3rd, 2020 with Trump. I think that'd be like definitely the green light of the bull market. And we start.
Yeah, like the all-time high break once and for all. Yeah. That makes a lot of sense. And it kind of like fits the narrative right now, right? Like if we lean towards like a Kamala victory, I don't think we really care too much about like what happens in the medium to long term, but like in the short term, maybe we get some stink fills like Rob and John just mentioned, maybe towards like the range lows. So
Yeah, no, I mean, right now I'm hoping for the Trump win where we go up.
me
But
too.
yeah, no, if Kamala wins in the short term, obviously, in the mid to long term, everything kind of remains the same. They gotta keep printing.
Yeah. Yeah.
But the road is gonna be way more bumpier than if Trump wins.
I agree with that 100%. That's a narrative I'm willing to stick to and bet to. I don't see.
Hello, guys.
Who's that? Is that
Good
Impulse?
afternoon. Yeah, that's me.
Wait, yo. So glad of you to join us.
How you guys doing? I agree with Rob, actually, that if we do get a potential big flush, 62.5 should give a good bounce. We have a nice daily demand there that hasn't been tapped in the upward trend. So if we're going to reject around 71.4 today into like a Kamala win victory or something, we could get a deeper flush, which could be quick.
Yeah, I see the 64 to 60
Yeah.
area as being commonly defended, but I don't know. I just want to be a bit more.
I don't.
optimistic here.
Yeah.
My goat one is going crazy right now.
Yeah, the Tariq fucking put me onto that this morning, and I'm coping right now. I'm coping really hard.
I'm up 25% on that shit. Let's fucking go.
Fuck, man.
Yeah, dude.
I'm coping on GOAT. He called it. He called it for me too, and I just ignored it. That's a nice play,
Pulled the
John.
pocket, got the people low on that.
Oh, shit.
What did you get? Around 48?
I got 47.
Oh my goodness. Okay, that's nice. Pico.
I still haven't figured out what this 1000X coin does, Rego. I swear I thought it had to do with Elon.
Maybe it does. I'm not the one to be telling you what every fundamental alt is doing. But even that, man, that's flying high, man. Like,
Yeah, we're up.
I mean, I don't like the larger time frames, but that's pretty decisive.
17%. 17% on the day. We got a lot of juices going on in Wealth Group today. Let's go, baby.
Yeah, I mean, if
Yeah, we
you-
fucking printed last couple hours, dude. It's been pretty fucking insane.
Yeah, we caught some moves
24
like
hours.
Doge, GOAT, some
I caught
BDC.
Pop-
We
Yeah,
caught
too.
we caught every single meme. We caught Toge, Goat, Popcat. We caught literally Pico Bottoms. Wow, that is going crazy. Bro, you caught 24% on that. That's fucking nuts.
Yeah, you see that? Yeah.
It's
Popcat's
insane.
in like a trend reversal here, or at least in the process of trying to do so. It's nice. Could like round out over here, just kind of like do its thing before trying to resend. I mean, how down is it from
Man,
the highs?
ETH is a slack as shit, dude.
Yeah, we don't talk
Popcat?
about ETH here.
Pop- Popcat was 35% at the lows from his highs.
Oh my god, that's like, and this is price discovery, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a traditional correction, man. Should have a really nice response from a 35% drop, 33% territory. That's really nice. So, like, what do we...
There's room to go to on Popcat.
It does?
Bounce off those. Yeah, it bounced off those POC.
What does our futures data tell us about this? Oh, okay. Getting a bit exaggerated here.
Yeah, we're printing some lower time frame bear divs. Need them break. In bullish market, a lot of these bearish diverge.
Yeah, they're really just dip buys, right? Like,
Yeah. Yep.
anybody trade FET? Any of you guys touch this?
Nah, I haven't touched it in a while.
Yeah, me neither.
Yeah, they're really just
I was looking at it yesterday, but it's still sluggish.
I could see Bitcoin consolidating around 70K until we get some more clarity on who's going to win.
I like that too.
range around here for a little bit.
It definitely looks nice when you look at a 4-hour. When you look at a daily, has all the structure you would want to see, right? For like a kind of like an ideal dip buy here, like, you know, or at least something that's rounding out to look like a bottom. For like all we know, just because of the indecision today, just fucking go back into 67.7, kind of look like a formation like this sort of thing.
I think this maker trade that we were talking about in stream earlier this morning, big upside potential.
What's that? MKR, the ticker?
Yeah, MKR. I know it usually goes opposite, so if BTC does find a rejection area.
Oh, interesting. What a downtrend, or at least an immediate downtrend. Would you have targeted here? I'm curious.
I mean, it's the big fib pull. You know what I mean? We're running into some extremely high POCs, like monthly levels, weekly, 3 day. I mean, everything that you're looking for to get exposure would be something like this here. Yeah.
Like kind of what I'm
It's
looking at
just
right
like-
here? Like this block right here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty much. Yep.
Interesting.
Because yeah, you just have so much more upside.
You do, but man, that's a nasty downtrend. Holy moly.
Bottoms are formed in a downtrend.
Yeah, absolutely. 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 All right, we're just going to have Doge continue to crank here. Direct correlation with BDC, by the way. For those that are wondering, dominance goes up, BDC goes up. Doge doesn't give a fuck, continues to go up as well. Which is very similar to 2020, if I'm not mistaken. Right, John? Rob, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
Kickstarted our bull market last time, so we're seeing like the same direct correlation with one another.
Yeah, BTC holding those daily levels. Let's see if it continues.
How's our books look? Okay.
Leg
Binance.
up.
Oh man, it is so messy between 73 to 74. Huge spot seller at 75. What's our data tell us here? Okay, there's like realistically no large liquidations available here. That's
Yeah, I noticed that the licks are pretty thin for the last couple of days. On
Yeah,
the
what the
last
fuck is
couple
this?
like week.
maybe we ran it all yesterday. Let me actually check this.
Upside
fresh
is
liquidity?
pretty
Yeah.
high. Yeah, upside is pretty high, and downside liquidity got tested pretty aggressively yesterday.
We did a $250 million in the past 24 hours. Seems like most of the licks.
So weird. It's so annoying getting used to the daylight savings, like hourly 4 o'clock. So
That's true. It's 1 hour earlier now, right? It's at like 7.
yeah.
Did we talk about Solana?
No, we haven't.
Sol's doing really nice here, especially on a daily time frame. A lot of things to be
Yeah,
optimistic
I'm-
about this.
You know, we could actually see some rejection here on Sol, like a pop up to like 169, 170. Maybe we could start targeting like 164 for exposure to 175.
164, huh? Yeah, that's like right here.
Yeah, for like intraday, like
Yep,
intraday
yep, yep.
set.
I like it.
Short to long, or just flip the res.
Yeah, like we could just walk it down to a 200 EMA catches up right into your level. It would make a lot of sense. That would be the continuation play. Has the voting started in the States, by the way?
Yes.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
starts, right? Yeah.
I mean, people were voting up until like last week. They were doing like early voting. Some states had early voting. But I saw in like Pennsylvania, they already had like
Malfunction.
ballot malfunction and shit, like in all those stores.
That's sketch. That's sketch. Like,
Some areas are done, like that New Hampshire area is already done. They did split 50-50.
Yeah, imagine like Pennsylvania and stuff like that. Are going to take all day, right, to just get everybody to vote, like let alone count it.
They're probably gonna do like a few recounts there.
Yeah,
I mean, that's like one of the most
I'm hoping it's just like a blowout type thing where it's like pretty much definitive by the end of the night, you know? Like I don't know, like a
That's what I'm hoping.
150,000 vote difference in like a swing state like Pennsylvania, so there's like no reason to assume that could change overnight.
Yeah, I'm hoping the same thing. That would be ideal.
I think everybody on the crypto side is praying for that outcome.
Dude, if you're in crypto and you're not voting for Trump, like I don't understand it.
I don't do that. Or if you just like
especially you're full time. Like if you're full time in crypto, I don't know.
Yeah, full time in crypto or just like a full time in finance, like in my opinion at least, right? And I'm pretty sure you guys agree. It's just like a stronger economy for the States. This makes a lot of sense, right? Someone has a policy.
Yeah.
Someone on a treadmill?
That's out here.
It's not me. It's not me. This weekend you hear, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I haven't been reading comments.
It's good morning. Good spirits, good energy.
Lots of good mornings. How does Sui look? Take a look at Sui.
It looks crazy.
Yeah, it looks really good.
Very good
Pretty
chart.
correlated to BTC here too.
Yeah.
Is it correlated to BTC? Let me see.
I was looking at
Yeah.
Cetus yesterday with just like a DEX on Sui. They almost trade like 1-to-1. Could be a good beta play to it.
Ooh.
Might look to bid something like 195 on Sui or something.
Yeah.
195, right a pop up at 218.
What's the name of the website where you looked at the liquidation levels? This is CoinGlass. So this over here is CoinGlass. For anything futures data related. You also have Coinalyze as well. So there you go. Man, everything's just sending today. It's like kind of... I have like googly eyes. They're just going all over the place today.
Yeah, I think yesterday was a really just a good opportunity for longs. We just kept diving deeper. Those slow waterfalls that happen over the weekends usually get reverted pretty explosively. And if we weren't going to break down hard yesterday, the only way to do it was just reverse on a lot of fucking coins.
Yeah, it was like peak FUD yesterday. That's just what it felt like.
Just a weird day yesterday.
It was. A lot of people couldn't find a lean and how today would look like. So just a choppy mess.
On support.
On support, nonetheless, exactly. Do we expect to
Honestly, this 67 to 70,000 was a pretty choppy area. We could just keep swinging these levels. I think regardless of whatever the outcome is, we're going to see a revert in the chart for whichever way the price moves initially. That's your question. That's just my opinion.
Someone still break out here.
Yeah, what do you guys like? What do you guys think? Is sell the news event if Trump gets elected? Is it going to be seen as we knew all along, so that's why we're rallying into it? Or do you think it actually?
I think we sold the news this week.
Yeah, me too. I think we.
I think this pullback was yeah. I think if Trump wins, God candle.
Yeah, me too. I think that's what takes us to the new all-time highs.
Yeah.
Someone asks us, how do we use funding rates? That varies depending on the market environment, the trend that we have. Typically, what we like to do is look for really, really heavy, deep incentives, assuming there's no unlocks. We can usually play that squeeze. We can call the bluff on shorts because of such an incentive they're paying. But other than that, we don't really like to use funding much, aside from the fact if we're trying to determine if longs are being taken on perps in irresponsible areas, and vice versa, right? But it's very
Or when the market is like, I use funding more so when the market is trending for a while too, and like
Exactly.
just kind of see funding is hot, like high, people are paying a premium, and then that helps you to be able to say, okay, hey, maybe perhaps the leverage you get a little overheated here, where you want to be a little more cautious. But like when the market's just chopping like this, you don't really need to play funding. To you keep an eye on it, but I don't. You really don't make it a this. You don't really use it as like a deciding factor when the market
Exactly.
is just like chopping.
You use it at like the most decisive point on the
Extremes.
chart. Yeah. Like you'll use it when you're anticipating a range break, either to the downside or to the upside. Usually, whenever that's a fake out, that same side of the trade tends to be very, very offside on perps, right? So it's a good indication. But as we've seen, I think in the last cycle, right, John, you were here with me, 2020, funding rates can get up to a 0.1 premium, and it wouldn't make a difference, right? Like so. Not always is it the most effective tool. It's usually an accumulative amount of things that all align together.
Yeah, it's pretty much just a tool that you just put in a toolbox to help you
Exactly.
make your decision.
Someone's telling me to look at something called Fart Coin. I feel like that's
That's an AI meme coin.
yeah.
It's an AI.
Like goat.
Yeah.
It's like goat.
What's final TP on GOAT for you guys? Do we even have TQ in here? He said he would join. He's probably still.
Isn't it
on.
in price discovery?
Oh, I would.
Yeah, I'm trying to hold my long to new all-time high.
Let's take a look.
This shit's fun.
I'm at my extended level for an intraday, but we're just like one lean towards everything, something everyone wants to hear from this, just going into an absolute frenzy, in my opinion. So it's like really, really, really gonna be tough.
I think 65 cents a big level. You flip that, it probably going towards all-time high.
Where can I find more data on this? Because I don't think I'm using GOAT USD.
You gotta use like Dex Screener.
Oh, Dex Screener. Those are the. How much do they have on this? Okay, that tells me quite a bit, actually. And what's the drawdown from this? I'm curious. 55. Okay. To be honest, to be fair, Farcoin is actually looking ripe.
It looks very good, actually.
Does it really? Oh god.
So low key ripping right here.
Yeah,
Yep.
so Solana's
Yeah.
going nuts,
I
man.
want to see a break right here.
And ETH BTC is still down on the day. You can't make it up, man. Sometimes you just can't make it up.
Bro, ETH is like as shit. I think ETH's going to 2100, 2150.
Fuck it. It certainly feels like that. Like there's no doubt in my mind that Solana has stolen the show here. It's stealing market share, 100%. I mean, like, look at Sol ETH's chart. And then look at ETH BTC, for example, right? In comparison, like, oh my god, like the most direct correlation I've ever seen in my life.
I'm looking at shorts 70,009 if we get a pop here above the highs.
Yeah, okay. I had more or less the same idea. I was discussing with Pocky earlier, like around 70,800, just as like a volatile like flush short,
Yeah.
or like towards like 70,700 ish, just as a
higher 72 too.
yeah. I have 71,450 as well. That would be the highest monthly close in history, right? Yeah, that would be the highest monthly close would be 71,450. I mean, doesn't it look like we already made the monthly lows? Am I crazy?
I think so.
Yeah, me too. I really do.
Yeah, I can see the monthly lows being in already.
Ooh.
The monthly opened up flat too, man. Like people were trying to long that the first few days, and they got burnt yesterday. That's kind of what I feel like the monthly was waiting for, to just liquidate whoever was trying to long the initial open.
Yeah, we went and grabbed the monthly level from October. That's
Yeah, I saw it. Whoever just opened long the monthly just got flushed yesterday, and then some good levels got tested.
Is this the only chart I have? Oh, no, this can't be it. I need someone to pull up a cosmic chart for me.
Cosmic?
Yeah, someone wants
Jesus
me to take a look at
Christ, who's
cosmic
trading
for some reason.
Cosmic?
Yeah, someone wants me to take a look at cosmic. We're almost back at 70K here, boys. Tape is pretty active today, especially on the
70K.
derivatives. Not having a whole lot of spot selling going on either, boys. Some Coinbase
I
bidders
put
coming
bids
in.
on Sui for 193 to
It's been a pretty good
191.
spot bid all day, all morning.
Yeah, it's been everything you want to see, guys. Everything you want to see.
That was a crazy play on GOAT, bro. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, shouts to Tariq, I think, or John too, right? You called that as well, right?
No, yeah, I saw John called that. Wait, did Tariq call too?
I think so. At least he mentioned
Oh,
it to
yeah.
me. But if
Good
John,
person.
called that, big shouts, man.
Yeah.
That's huge.
I called it a 40. I called it 47. I think Rick called it 50.
Oh my god,
yeah.
that's beautiful.
Nice.
Nothing escapes us, boys.
I closed my whole Dogecoin trade from yesterday, 17% today.
I
Dude, it
mean,
was crazy. The RR yesterday on alts were fucking fantastic. That's the best RR trades we've had in a while on support yesterday.
that was one hell of a trade, man.
Yeah,
Perfect
Those are
response
big
from
levels,
daily
man.
demand, Rob. Like a perfect response from like a daily demand zone, 200 EMA flip. Like couldn't have gotten any.
Bitcoin bonds.
beautiful.
Oh, there we go.
Oh,
Big spot buy
Oh,
just came in over here.
Send this shit to 80K.
Please.
Not even liquidating too. There's no liquidations here.
Yeah, there's nothing. Like if we look at the heat map, it's just a fucking ghost town up here.
Literally.
Open interest is pretty down too.
Yeah. We just keep drifting back up.
We got a big move coming soon. I can feel it. I'm still gonna try to short a pop if we go in here though. Just for a little scalper.
What do
Yeah,
we
you
think
got that
about what do we think about stablecoin supply being, at all-time highs? Like minted stablecoin supplies being at all-time highs and beyond that now. Bullish, no?
yeah, they're gonna deploy
What'd you
sooner or
say?
later. What's the point of having it?
Sorry.
What'd
you say about
do we
the
think
point
about,
at all?
the accumulative stablecoin supply being minted at all-time highs again, right? From the 16K lows.
That's
all-
good.
Yeah. Like it's inevitable, bro. Like
Do a standstill for a little bit.
mm-hmm.
Wasn't it?
Just like that, we're back above 70K, boys. This is this bull market dip buying type shit right here, man.
So I'll
Whew.
taking some likes here.
This is amazing.
Look at these perps
1,000.
coming in hot. Who the fuck is this guy on
40%.
OKEX?
40% intraday capture. That's awesome.
Where do you see that there's a lot of spot selling? Which website can you please tell? Usually we see that just on Coinbase. And I also have this tape over here, right? So I have my three columns. One, the right is liquidations, the middle is perps, and the left is spot purchases after a certain number, right? So I usually, look to target anything over 100K as a significant spot buy. So that's what you're seeing here. So if we could tell where we're, and obviously you have your exchange here, so where it's coming from.
Wow, APT looks fantastic.
APT?
Yeah, it looks really good, dude.
Yeah, it looks like it wants to continue.
Actually pretty good too today.
And dominance is about to make new highs. So this is probably indicative of new money flowing in. We can all agree. Stables being deployed. USDT dominance down as fuck, guys.
Even
at this, look
memes
at the
aren't
tape, look at the
suffering
tape.
as much.
Bitcoin, let's go.
This is going
There
wild.
it
What a
is.
day to be streaming. Wow.
What a day to be long.
Yeah. Yeah. Woo.
Oh, Daenerys.
I feel like the Bitcoin price is like preemptively showing who's winning the election right now.
Yeah, I think so
There you
too.
go.
And we didn't even take a look at legacies today. How are they responding? It seems like they're
Yeah.
thinking the same thing. Yeah, everybody's just kind of
Yeah.
yeah. This looks like a Trump victory. At least the markets have decided with the PA we're seeing. That's what consensus looks like. How does the dollar look? I'm curious. Weaker and weaker going into FOMC. That's normal. Expecting a rate cut.
That's
Right?
on two this week.
Tape is going insane. Yeah, on Thursday.
Wow. Holy
Yeah,
shit.
what a week.
We got election. I thought there was a CPI this week. It's FOMC. That's crazy.
It's tomorrow, right? Or the day
Thursday.
after?
Thursday.
It's Thursday, right? Yeah, should be Thursday.
Thursday. Yeah.
We're expecting 25
Wow.
basis points, pretty much like 100% consensus. We get 50, it's even better, right, for us? So
Come on, it's so much
Beautiful.
short.
BTC new high, dominance, new highs again. Just engulfed in the same fashion it did last night. Pepe just sent. Pepe's just sending.
Yeah, that's all right.
Wow. Okay. I mean, Murad is right to some extent. The hardest performing alts are fucking memes. There's no doubt about it. They respond the strongest.
Yeah.
If Bobcat flips 137 here, it's just going to go back to the highs, man.
Yeah, it's in price discovery. It just hit 34, 33% down, right? That's a traditional correction, right?
Yeah, yeah.
That would be nice. Oh, yeah, and of course. Mm-hmm. Fuck. Yeah, just has this intraday to flip. Mind you, you could even go down like this and just fucking engulf everybody in an instant. Yeah, someone send me a cosmic chart if you don't mind.
It looks dead, man. Wait, I will
That's what
send
I
you one.
see. I mean,
Yeah, it was dead.
Brett's something to keep an eye on too. Let's take a look at Brett. Why not? I'm open to many things when the market acts like this. I'm open to plenty of things. Oh, those are interesting lows. Those are interesting lows. Might take a while. There's definitely better performing stuff right now, but this could be something you keep your eye on. Could form like a rounded structure, but no need to rush. We're barely taking out any. Look at all these dust bears. Like this is barely anything. Like there's just nothing to hunt. No sellers. Yeah, if you give me 100K BDC, whoever said it, I think it was Z. If you give me 100K BDC in a single day, I'll give you one BDC. Fair? But it's not happening. I'm telling you right now.
Where should I send it to you? I'm sending it in this chat here. Wait, I'll tag you.
Yeah, just ping me so I could take a look.
I mean, this is the best I could come up with. There's like no volume on it either, so there's
Yeah,
not
this
much you can
looks-
trade off.
This looks pretty gross. Oh my god, you tell me I can't zoom in any closer? Okay, hold on, I have to do some magic over here. This looks pretty gross, but it's like at its like absolute lows. So like, man, if you want to chuck because you think it has more to tell, I mean, from a technical standpoint, well, how much, what else can you possibly target? That would be like price discovery up to the lows, There's just better things to trade currently.
Yeah.
You want to avoid non-movers, right? You want to follow the volume. You want to be where traders are at the table, actively trading, taking level by level. Price moves a lot. And in this case, a little cheat code for you guys. We want to see always the highest volumes on futures. take a look at this stuff. Okay, so Goats is called Goatsus Maximus. Is this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's fucking crazy, man. Oh, that's nice. OI going down. Total cap sending. So money inflow is definitely here. This looks the same as BDC. What about total 2? How's this looking?
Yeah, I was just gonna say total 2 starting to try to flip up 900 billion.
And USDT DOM is down, so that's a good sign. That's a good sign. Means people are they're not likely to be holding cash right now. So or at the very least in the process of.
Whiff had to go down still.
Oh my god, we didn't talk about Whiff. It's true. Out of all the memes.
Whiff did have a good bounce.
Fuck
yeah.
yeah, look at this, dude. They all respond more or less the same way. Okay, I don't know what I was
We've
drawing
missed
here.
my bids by 2%. Fucking shit.
Huh.
Yeah,
What
I
was
really
the
want
15
my
minute
phone
look
bits
like?
too.
I mean, that's indicative of a reversal, right?
If we do a reject up here, you guys think we're gonna hold 68.9, or do you think we're gonna go down and sweep? You guys think we'll print a higher low if we do reject here?
68.9.
That's where I would assume we'd hold her on demand there.
I like it. I like it. We built a nice block of bids here. You have your 200 EMA supporting it. And the pivotal levels underneath. Yeah, I like it. I like it.
Yeah, 68, 657.
Yeah, this whole little chunk of orders here would make a lot of sense. Just pricing all the
Yeah, I like that
volatility.
level talking. I like that. I like that.
On top demand now as well on the H4.
You got a daily, 2 dailies, and a stack of 3 days. So, yeah, for the last 3 days, that's where a lot of
Yeah, right here.
volume is traded.
I see
I'm pretty
that.
sure there's a
too.
GP that lines up here at 70,009 too, as well. If we get a pop here for a short scalp,
Which number was that?
70,920 is where I'm looking.
Yeah, again, yeah, like 70,800, 70,900. But it feels like we're gonna get front run on this fairly simple volatile short here. Just shy.
Yeah.
Just shy, fucker.
Just shy. Yeah. Damn.
Ah.
I added back to the 2-day in honor of you.
What'd you do?
That short that we executed this morning.
I mean, you got stopped, right? Or you kept your inval
Yeah,
open.
no. Yeah, just added more. At the
Oh, okay.
It's printing a 30-minute bear div. That's the TA that.
Gives us a bear div, so that most likely means if it's a bull trend, dip to buy. Okay, so
Yep.
yeah, that makes sense. I'm losing steam. Man, it's insane how much I don't consider Ethereum these days. Like I haven't even looked at it. All day.
Yeah. Fuck
It's
East, man.
fucking sad, huh?
Damn. Am I really not gonna get
Gods
filled
can
up
bleed.
seriously?
I mean, to be fair, it's in a range, right? I mean, it's a shitty range, but it's a range.
I mean,
Big
you
range,
can still
yeah.
get another bounce again, Rob, at like 69.5 ish.
69.5.
Yeah, I could see that. I just didn't see any liquidations here on the short side, so I'm kind of I don't know why that hasn't came up yet. It's kind of thin though.
I mean, we ran mild ones like right here, right? But like
On the way up, yeah, on the way up, ran really small
Yeah.
ones.
and I guess like your next pocket is gonna be like what 69.1 right here.
69, like, yeah, like around that. Maybe a little lower.
And there's more licks
I mean,
at
if it-
67.2.
yeah.
Maybe we could take everybody out here in one single candle if we really wanted to.
Oh wow, yeah. Even a 69.6, 69.5 would still liquidate any like 100xers. Top.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where they're hiding right here, huh? Right here, this little ticker over here. And we just ran these licks. That's interesting. Oh yeah, this is a ping pong whipsaw market right now, man.
No,
this is
it's
Yeah.
it's the whole reason why I'm in crypto. I love the volatility.
Yeah. This is a wet
Great.
dream for the volatility traders. This is like an FOMC being announced every candle, pretty much. Like, look at the
So we
volume,
just
man.
go. We just
Like
go.
the 20-second scalpers.
Oh yeah, Tariq, 30-second.
He's
Yeah,
down to the
Tariq.
32nd now, huh?
Tariq's coming right now.
Oh my god.
John or Woods, you guys use the 30-second at all?
What happened?
You use the 30-second chart by any chance?
I
No,
use
you
it
gotta
like
be-
I use it only whenever like we're super volatile. Like that's
You
when I
gotta-
use it.
Dude, today would be the day, right? Like,
But
okay.
just like,
One
but just to
every-
look, like I'll just look just to see if some divergences are popping up, just on some cheeky shit. Nothing. I'm trading.
All right, boys, I'm locked into the 30-second chart over here,
Good time.
just like the movies, you know.
What I will trade is like for like a trade like yesterday where we were just grinding on support. I'll look at like the minute time frame just to see what type of divergences pop up and shit. I don't know. That's what I'll look at.
That's good for reference, actually. But
Really
trade
good
it,
for reference,
trade it,
exactly.
man. Oh man. You-
Yeah, no, not to trade it, but
that's-
definitely I like lower time frame for execution as well, especially since like most
Yeah,
trades are
executions
leveraged.
exactly.
Yeah, that's good. I agree. It could get really, really nutty though. Ooh-wee. Well, that was an inefficient move. And we took out, like, realistically no bulls on that. Like, none. These are all just dust traders right now. Like, we're not liquidating any significant size, like, whatsoever. There's really nobody to hunt.
All right, I'm probably gonna get off. I'm in a few big trades I gotta watch.
All right. What are you guys saying? You want to end it off here? You want to keep going for a bit? We'll just end it off.
It was good stream. We covered everything.
Yeah. Yeah, we
Yeah,
did.
man. Thanks for having me, guys. It's been a pleasure hanging out with you.
Always.
Thanks for
man.
having
Later,
me.
guys.
Appreciate everyone coming through. We'll come back next week. Goodbye,
Damn right.
guys.
Next week, same time.
Take care, guys. Bye-bye.
Take care, guys. All right, guys. Thanks for joining the stream. We appreciate you guys, coming out here. Keep tuned, or stay tuned, I should say, for next week, same time, same place. And we'll just, show you a bit on how, we operate on a day-to-day basis amongst each other. Pretty much just another day of trading for us. So we appreciate you guys for joining in, and we'll see you next time. Take care now.